red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, brown color, and green color. So kids, now I draw alphabets, and first I draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. So kids, now I draw F and use yellow color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J and use black color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. So kids, now I draw N and use blue color. Blue color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now I draw R and use brown color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. So kids, now I draw V and use green color. Green color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. So kids, now I draw numbers, and first I draw 1 and use red color. 1 2 3 4 5. So kids, now I draw 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. 6 7 8 9 and 10. Red color. Yellow color. black color, blue color, brown color, and green color. So kids, now you draw capital letters alphabets A to Z, and first you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use yellow color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use black color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. Kids, now you draw K and use red color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R, the alphabets of R, and use green color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V, the alphabets of V, and use red color. V for van. W for wallet. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color, green color, red color, and black color. So kids, now you draw one and use yellow color. One. So kids, now you draw two and again use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So kids, now you draw 11 and use blue color. Blue color. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So kids, now you draw 19 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So kids, now you draw 26 and use green color. Green color. "27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.